What's good, YouTube? This one is the Get back with LA Lakers Rebuild. First things first, I want y'all to like, comment, subscribe, turn on those post notifications to be notified whenever I post a brand new video. Let's keep it going. As y'all know, we were the 1 seed, failed against the Nuggets, then the Nuggets lost to the Clippers. Clippers beat the Pels, then they lost to the Sixers in 5 in the NBA Finals. James Harden did win Finals MVP, and he had a triple-double, 24, 11, and 23. And a steal. And then Joel Embiid had 28, 16, 3. So everybody else played particularly well. Let's keep it going. For year 2, retirements, Udonis Haslem, Dwight Howard, ISO Joe, Marcus Aldridge, Paul Millsap, Rondo, Dragic, Green, Patty Mills, DeAndre Jordan, George Hill, DJ Augustine, Gibson, Ibaka, Tucker, and the rest of nobodies. Hall of Fame, Dwight Howard. Jersey retirements, Dwight Howard. I don't really care about that. Draft lottery, let's just see who gets the first picks, because it's definitely not me. The Rockets get the number 1 pick. The Spurs had the number 1 odds and they fell to 5. Wow. Staff signing. Well, yeah, we'll keep all that. Rookie signing. Probably not gonna have any rookies, so. Oh, we do. Might as well just sign them. We're gonna accept. Get them all back. Qualifying offers to Reeves. Alright, now who's our cap holes? Like, who do we need to resign? We need Reeves and Schroeder. And Gabriel. Or just Reeves and Schroeder. Where's Reeves? We could just get Russ. No, I'm joking. Where's my boy Reeves? AR is not interested. Okay. Hey, why wouldn't he be interested? I ain't got no money for. Alright. Well, we just lost those two. We got Brunson at the point, Brian at the 3, AD at the 4. We're gonna try and sign. I don't know why, but I want John Wall on a 3-year. Why not? Let's just make sure we get John Wall first. What? Alright, well, John Wall wants to sign with them. But we need, I would say a 2 guard, but point guard is mainly what we're looking for. Seth Curry. Well, I guess we're going to go ahead and sign Seth. No. Yeah, let's just get Seth. Oh, actually, we get Reeves back, so I'm cool with it. And we also got Seth Curry, so he's coming off the bench. Basically just running it back. I'm cool with it. I am okay with it. So we got, a declining LeBron. A declining Anthony Davis for some reason. A declining Brunson. A great center. Reeves, Bamba, Beasley, Rue, Curry, now Seth. Our rooks, Rook. A vet from Cleveland with LeBron. He just came trying to win a chip. A guy that we traded for, and another guy that just came to win a chip. Let's go to the next season and try and repeat for success. In the next rebuild, the next team that we do, we will add the legitimate draft, like 2023, 2024, for the next years that go on. I just didn't think to do it in this one, but I will remember to do it in the next one. Starting lineup: Reeves, Brunson, Braun, AD, Sengun. And then we got our bench. Running a 10-man row. But that's how it's going to go. Oh, I just dropped my controller. But yeah. Alright. We're just going to sim to the end of the season. Unless things go wrong. No. So how's our day going? Oh my god. Bro, we signed you for a reason. Then you get hurt. A broken hand, 4 weeks. We lose back-to-back games to Denver. It's not a good look. Seth will be back within probably 2 days. Sorry, a second. Basically in the same position we were last year. But this year we got to fulfill our role within winning a championship. That's all LeBron plays for at this point in his career. He's not playing for, quite frankly, anything else. He's done everything there is to do. All he's basically playing for is a chip. Reeves gets hurt once again. I think this was around the same time as last year, so. Yeah, I think so. Brunson. Hurt. This is not good, guys. I will be doing some Madden a little bit. Oh, torn Achilles. Okay. Madden, probably some Fortnite and this. But primarily, we're gonna stick to 2K. AD. Alright, so it's basically like LeBron against the world right now. But we beat Cleveland. Reeves he just got hurt, now he's hurt again. I don't like that. No. Yeah, we're dead. Alright, yeah, we're gonna make some trades because this is just not working for us. Don't really know why. Hold on, guys. My camera keeps freezing. I'm sorry, my bad, guys. Oh my god. I got my camera on this like tripod thingy. There we are. Alright. We got LeBron. AD's almost healthy day to day. Same with Reeves. Not trading Brunson. Rui and Bamba. That's definitely an option. Klay Thompson. But he is up there in age. Could use some younger guys. Not relatively younger, but they are like 4 to 5 years younger. So Seth Curry, Tristan Thompson. Other than LeBron, everyone has to be 30 and under. Because we're not going to have LeBron for that much longer. So I would say do we trade? I mean, that sounds crazy. But do we trade? We can't even trade LeBron. I was going to say, do we trade LeBron? But because think, bro. He's going to be Tristan Thompson. No. Tristan Thompson's our starting power forward. Reeves is back. Day-to-day Davis is back. Reeves, with all the injuries, he's declining in age. I mean, overall. So I don't think we're going to be the 1 seed this year. And we're going to finish like 3 or 4. It's automatically. Oh my god, our center gets hurt. Man down. I repeat, man, damn. But we're just gonna do what we prepared for, or what I prepared for. AD, you going back to center, my boy. Reeves, you're playing small forward. Bron, going to power. And that's that. So now this is our lineup till our center gets healthy. Seth Curry is back. We're still like stuck at that 3 seed spot. But of course, right after we decline the trade, we lose to the Bulls. Oh, Luka and Giannis, LeBron lost his All-Stars captain spot, but he is still a starter, so. Anthony Davis ends up on Giannis's team, and LeBron's on Luka's team. Well, we're definitely not gonna have the greatest record this year, but it's alright. Alright. Penguins back. LeBron, you're going back to small. Reeves, you could just be a backup small forward, to be honest. Well, day-to-day Davis wants to play. Well, AD wants to play center, so if he likes his spot as center, that's what we're going to have him at. But I think it's working. I don't know. Only got eligibles TT, and we'll resign him. Bees, we'll resign you. Harrison, we'll resign you too. Sorry for the background noise. Got company over. My bad. But we dropped to 7. Guys, I don't know if we're gonna make it. Well, 7 is basically done for the rest of the season. Oh man. And from a 1 to 3 seed to a 6-7 seed to probably end the season, unless we go on like a crazy stretch. Back up to 4. Now we're at 3. On his hand. So now we're at 3 seed going against Denver again. We won game 1, win game 2, lose game 3. Win game 4, win game 5. We finally got past Denver. Now we got the Pels. Win game 1, lose game 2, lose game 3, lose game 4, and we lost game 5. Lost again. This time in the second round. And this Cavs, Pelicans. Try to like, comment, subscribe, turn on those post notifications to be notified whenever I post a brand new video. It's been Marcus. We'll be back for episode 3, season 3. We out. Peace.